Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Ankeru from veganchoicefoods.com and family. I just want to share with you important facts about Nopal Cactus family. Prickly pear, guys. If you look in your backyard and you see any of this in your yard, guys, you can blend it up, guys, and strain it off and get the green juice. This is just a prickly pear just in there, guys, with ginger and lime, guys. Guys, this is good for diabetes. It's good for so many things, guys. And I want to let you know, guys, that if this is in your backyard, you can actually go ahead and blend it up and store it up and drink it every day. This is super green. Dr. Sebi approved this, talked about this, used this in his compounds, recommend this, talk about this. You should do this, guys. This is super alkaline, and you can tell, and you can see the live thing on the top bubbling like that. It's super alkaline, guys, and you should be drinking this too, guys. Nopal prickly pear, guys, the powder, capsule, but this is the real deal. Peace and love, guys. This is Ankeru, just sharing basic health with the universe. So this is out in the universe now, so a lot of person can go ahead and start using prickly pear. This grows wild, it's in everybody's backyard. You just see it grow wild. People just unnotice. Everything here to heal the body is on earth. You just don't know. So now that you know, the person with diabetes, just take this and check your blood pressure, check your sugar level, and you will know. You will know, because it's just health, guys. Basic, and you don't need no physician or no big people with no scholars. You can heal your body yourself, guys. It's you. You take care of yourself. No one but you. So this is Ankeru. I'm just checking out from veganchoicefoods.com. Peace and love, African family. One love.